Hello, we have studied before this period unit cell, the smallest repeating structural unit of crystalline solid is called unit cell. Now we are going to study cubic system. Here types of cubic system. First, simple cubic unit cell, then second, body centered cubic unit cell, third, face centered cubic unit cell. So simple cubic unit cell, a simple cubic unit cell has particles at its 8 corners. When these unit cells are stacked together, particles at each corner of a given cell is shared with 7 neighboring cubes that comes together. Here a model of a simple cubic unit cell is made. Here there are 8 particles which are joined to one another. Here when these unit cells are stacked together, means in huge form, then each particle is shared with 7 neighboring cubes. म्हणजे काय, इथं आपल्याला एक मॉडेल दिलेलं आहे कशाचं, तर सिंपल क्युबिक युनिट सेलचं. इथं या ठिकाणी म्हणजे 8 पार्टिकल आपल्याला दिसत आहे, 1 2 3 4 आणि मागे पण 4 आहेत. तर हे एका असं ह्यूज फॉर्ममध्ये असते, तेव्हा या क्यूबला आणखी 7 क्यूब अटॅच असतात. आणि मग यापासून समजा आपण एक साधा युनिट सेल बनवला. एका युनिट सेलमध्ये एक असं ॲटम कन्सिडर करायचा आणि त्याचे असे 8 डिव्हिजन करायचे. 8 डिव्हिजन केल्यानंतर त्यापासून आपल्याला या टाईपचा असा क्यूब मिळेल. तर इथे प्रत्येक कॉर्नरपाशी त्या क्यूबचा 1/8 पोर्शन तो व्यापलेला असेल. मीन्स ॲट ईच कॉर्नर 1/8 पोर्शन ऑफ ॲटम इज शेअर्ड. Here simple cubic unit cell is shown. Particles are present at 8 corners of that cube, but actually one particle is shared at 8 corners. So at 8 corners, each corner 1/8 portion of that atom is shared. So number of particles in simple cubic unit cell is 1/8 into 8 equal to 1. So these are the models of simple cubic unit cell. Here 8 particles at 8 corners, and here model of unit cell is shown. Here 1/8 particles are shared at each corner. So this is three-dimensional model is shown here. Now second type, here body centered cubic unit cell. Body centered cubic unit cell has particles at the corners as well as one additional particle is present in the center of cube. Here additional particle is shown here at the center of cube, which is not shared with other particles. This is model of body centered cubic unit cell. Here particles are present at the corners, as well as one particle is present in the center of cubic cell. So in this way, this is cubic cell is shown. Here particles are present at the corners and one additional particle is present in the center of that cubic cell. So in this way, this particle is present in the center of cubic cell, and one particle is shared at the 8 corners of that unit cell. In this way, this is model of body centered cubic unit cell. Here in the center, one particle is present, and at 8 corners, 1/8 portion of one particle is shared at 8 corners. इथे सेंटर मध्ये एक पार्टिकल आहे आणि त्याच्या 8 कॉर्नर जवळ असे एक अष्टमांश असे मिळून एक पार्टिकल, म्हणजे 1 + 1 = 2, like this 1/8 into 8 plus 1. So 1 + 1 = 2 particles are present in body centered cubic unit cell. Now third, face centered cubic unit cell. It has particles at the centers of 6 faces, like this. Particle is present, half particle is present at the center of face, and 1/8 particles are present at each corner of that cube. So in face centered cubic cell, here particles are present at the corners, 8 corners of unit cell, and as well as particles are the present at the centers of faces of that cube. There are 6 faces, so particles are present at the centers of faces. So in each cubic unit cell, each face acquire half particle, and at each corner 1/8 portion of particle is shared. So number of particles present in face centered cubic unit cells are 1/8 into 8 plus 1/2 into 6 = 1 + 3 = 4. इथं फेस सेंटर्ड क्युबिक युनिट सेल मध्ये कॉर्नर पाशी असे पार्टिकल्स आहेत, त्याचप्रमाणे प्रत्येक फेसच्या, म्हणजे 6 फेस आहेत, प्रत्येक फेसच्या सेंटर मध्ये पार्टिकल्स आहेत, आणि इथं 8 कॉर्नर पाशी 8 पार्टिकल प्लस 6 फेसेस आहेत, तिथे 6 पार्टिकल शेअर्ड केलेले आहेत. परंतु युनिट सेल मध्ये 6 फेसेस मध्ये प्रत्येक फेसला हाफ पार्टिकल आणि प्रत्येक कॉर्नर पाशी एक अष्टमांश असे मिळून टोटल 4 पार्टिकल, 1/8 into 8 plus half into 6. So 1 + 3 = 4, म्हणजे 4 पार्टिकल. याप्रमाणे फेस सेंटर्ड क्युबिक युनिट सेल मध्ये 4 पार्टिकल आहे. So number of particles in simple cubic unit cell = 1, in body centered cubic cell 2, and in face centered cubic unit cell there are 4 particles are present. Thank you.